Today we're going to make this vegetable and chicken roll using this kind of wrapper. This one, because this will be our ingredients. Sotanghon or vermicelli noodles, and then this one is cucumber and stripped carrots, and then we could have choices. We could have a chicken, or we could have prawns, and water for us to soak our wrapper so as to soften. So we're going to start, guys. Please keep on watching. So first, this would be our wrapper. So isoak lang natin to siya sa tubig para ma-soft, kasi now it's so hard to roll. So just soak until soften. Okay na siya. So pwede na natin itong lagyan ng mga vegetables kasi it's very soft now. So nilagay natin siya sa plate na medyo malaki, so we could place it plainly. Okay, so first we could have the prawns. Okay, and we could have vegetables at the side, and a cucumber, and you could have also this kind of noodles or sotanghon, vermicelli noodles. Okay, we're supposed to put this one here like avocado, but since we are out of stock in the refrigerator, so this would be enough. So it's time to roll. So first, okay, uunahin natin yung opposite side. Okay, this one, and then this one, and then to the center. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so this could be the result, as easy as this one here, guys. So let's make another one this time. So this could be our number 2. So we have to soak the wrapper into the water. We're just using plain cold water, but if you want to use like a warm water, it's also possible, for at least 40 degrees, yung hindi masyadong mainit. Okay, so we're ready for the chicken. So first we're going to strip into small pieces. So this is it, and we're going to put some carrots at the side, and we can add this kind of noodles, and we can add cucumber. Let's put the all cucumber kasi sayang na din po pag hindi siya Okay, and it's time to roll first. Okay, next this one. Okay, so this is it. we're able to make two, this one and this one. Here you are. It's done now. This could be a good match with the sweet chili sauce. Or if you want, you can have mayonnaise or ketchup. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.